Hi, I am Luisa. In this video, I will show you how to connect your B59 with your StitchDirect app. The app can be downloaded from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Choose the standard mode. The sewing machine and mobile device must be in the same network. All available networks are displayed on the machine. Select the desired network and enter the password. Connect the mobile device to the same network. After launching the app, you can select and connect the machine on the home screen. This means you can now send stitches or embroidery designs from the app directly to the B59. Your machine is now connected to the StitchDirect app. In the next video, I will show you what else you can do with the app. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe and like.